In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find minimum balance requirements and fee waiver info in the Bank of America app or website. This is a quick practical walkthrough to help you understand what your account needs to avoid monthly fees and what options you might have to waive them. First, start by logging into the Bank of America app or the official website. Make sure you're using a secure connection and the most up-to-date app version. If you use two-factor authentication, have your verification method handy so you can sign in smoothly. Once you're in, you'll land on your main accounts view. Next, choose the specific account you want to review, whether it's checking or savings. If you have multiple accounts, pick the one where you want to confirm the requirements. Opening the account detail page ensures you're looking at information tailored to that product, since requirements can differ from one account type to another. Now, on the account screen, look for statements and documents or account details. On mobile, this might appear as a tab near the top, a link under your balance, or within a more or details menu. On desktop, you'll often find it along the left side or near the top navigation for that account. Both options lead you closer to the disclosures and fine print that spell out fee rules and waiver criteria. If you see a documents or statements archive, that's also a good place to check, since PDF statements and account disclosures often include the fee schedules and requirements. Once you're inside statements and documents or account details, look for language that mentions minimum balance requirements or fee waiver information. This section typically explains whether there's a monthly maintenance fee, what the minimum daily balance or combined balance threshold is, and any alternatives to meet a waiver, such as qualifying direct deposits or account relationships. If the details aren't immediately obvious, scan for headings like fees, disclosures, account information, or service fee details. Some pages include a small info icon you can tap for definitions or examples. You can also open the latest account disclosure or the fee schedule PDF in the documents area. Those files usually include the exact dollar amounts, calculation methods, and timing, such as whether the balance is measured daily or over a statement cycle. That's all there is to it. Sign in, open your checking or savings account, go to statements and documents or account details, and review the minimum balance or fee waiver information. Make it a habit to check these details periodically, especially if your banking needs change, so you can stay on top of requirements and avoid unnecessary fees.